Apparently you can't pause and switch. All right, I'm going to show you this real quick. This is not craft related, but it is creative related. I am going to be making, not the banana chips, I'm going to be making my own homemade vegan steaks and vegan chicken. So I've got my vital wheat gluten. I've got my nutritional yeast. And then I've got all my spices. And then my can of chickpeas, or rather garbanzo beans back there. That's to give it a more meatier texture. And trust me guys, if you haven't tried this, it's really good. And here's my little miso paste. These are my shortbread cookies that don't go in it. That's for me. Let's see, doggy treats. There's a mallet to beat the natural flea pills that I give the animals. My potatoes. Okay, so craft related. I got an interesting package in the mail from my Uncle Lee, which I appreciate. Hi, Uncle Lee. I don't know if he watches my videos or not, but this is, he's in Washington State. He lives in Yelm, which is near Puyallup in Tacoma. This is what I got. It's cool. I like these tags. It says, handcrafted for you with love. Water bottle sling, 100% cotton. And then on the back, she's got, thank you for purchasing a locally handmade item, custom crocheted by Mia. Then it's got her Facebook page and then her Instagram account. That's really cool. I don't know if you can, maybe if I get it really close, it'll zoom in. No, it's still wanting to zoom on the background. Look at that. See, the background's clear as can be, but up close, not so much. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. It's really cool. Flat bottom, and then she did like a I guess like a fan stitch maybe, or a corner to corner type stitch, I don't know. And then she crocheted and stitched on the handle, and then he sent me two of them. He sent me, and then here's the other one, same type of stitch. Now this one I would agree is 100% cotton because it feels like cotton, but this one feels like a cotton acrylic blend. It's really, really soft, but this feels like 100% cotton. But anyway, same lady, same tags. And then I got a really nice card. It's always nice to get Happy Mail. You don't expect it. It just came out of the clear blue. So cool. And I'm in Tennessee, so, you know, that's across the country. Literally on the other side of the country. And then he sent me these little, this is something else she crochets. They're for holding ice pops. Or, let's see, he called them something else. Let me see what he calls them. He calls them, that one didn't have, those didn't have tags. Let's see, what did he call them? Otter Pops, or Ice Pop, same thing. Oh, Otter Pops. Yeah, and then it came with these little sleeves. So, Maddie, now you got little sleeves for your Icy Pops. We still have popsicles, did you forget? Yeah, she did. Oh, can I have a popsicle, Mom? Yeah, and I'm making dinner, too. Okay, so this is the little slip that came in the mail, and this started on Facebook last year, I remember, but I never saw these little, but let me read this to you. It's a really great idea, so if you guys want to adopt it, feel free. Or if you want me to send you a copy of this, just give me your email address, private message me your email address, and I will send you a copy of this typed up. But it says, to start 2019 off in a loving way, I want to start giving more. The first 5 people who comment on this status with I'm in will receive a surprise from me at some point in 2019. Anything from a book, a ticket, something homegrown or made, a postcard, absolutely any surprise. There will be no warning, and it will happen when inspiration hits me and I find something that I believe would suit you and make you happy. These 5 people must make the same offer as their Facebook status and distribute their own joy. Simply copy this text onto your profile, don't share, so we can form a web of connection and kindness. Let's do more kind and loving things for each other in 2019 without any reason other than to make each other smile and show that we're thinking of each other. Happy New Year 2019. Isn't that great? And this is what it came on. That is so sweet. I love that idea and that concept. Adopt it, please. I'm definitely going to. So, I have got some of your addresses from previous giveaways and such that I've had in the past. may do that, or I may ask you for your address if that's up to you, or if you just want to volunteer giving me your address, you can email me at young40mom, young40mom at gmail.com. And that's what I've got for today. Short and sweet and to the point. We're in the kitchen fixing to boil some pasta and have some marinara sauce with a little bit of cheese on top. No, we're not vegan. We are slowly making it to being vegetarian. So anyway, okay, let's go into the living room. There's pee-pee pads. He seems to like that spot, so that's why we have that there. Here is the child on her phone, which is eternal, and I can never get her off. There's Ellie. Oh, look, there's Ramsey, ready to go outside, so I'm definitely going to have to stop because I have to take the doggy to the bathroom. Okay, bye. Peace out.